What do you do with a failed OS? What do you do with a failed OS? What do you do with a failed OS? Make a recovery flash drive. And that is what we are going to do. Okay, welcome to the Proving Grounds. Here's a situation. What you're looking at here is the desktop for Windows 8.1. Okay, maybe this is not the desktop. This is more the tile view, but still. I have another device that also runs 8.1, but the operating system failed. But I didn't have a recovery drive. I had one for Windows 10 and that would not work. So I have to make a new one. I already have a flash drive plugged into this tablet, so let's begin. First thing we are going to do, go to search, and we're going to type recovery. And that is going to bring up this recovery app. Here you're going to select create a recovery drive, and then you get this pop-up. The option is yes, of course. And now we're going to create that drive. We don't have a partition that we want to actually save or transport over, so we're not going to check the box. We're just going to select next and then wait. Now it's going to take a moment in order to do the process. It's already selecting the drive, or at least it's telling you what's available. And there it is. It's our D drive. We already named it recovery. And now it's giving you the warning. This is your last chance to back out. If you don't, whatever's on there is going to be formatted and it's going to be gone. In this case, we don't care. So we're going to select create. Now the progress bar is beginning. It's going to start with formatting the drive. Depending on which system you have and which version of Windows 8.1 you have, whether it's Home or Pro or whatever, it'll either format it as an NTFS or as a FAT32. In my experience, FAT32 seems to be more common, but I'm not ruling out that it can actually format in a different filing system. Right now it's copying the utilities, and this is where it takes the most amount of time. And what I mean by that is it could take about a minute and a half, and then it finishes up. You see, it's copying. It feels like you're actually in a horse race. Oh, the suspense! Now, if we actually had more progress bars, it would actually look cooler. But what we have going on here is just utilities being filed over, and then it's going to finish up very soon. And boom. That's it. Now, what I always find interesting is they're going to go through all the trouble to make a window this big, have that much text, and a button all the way down here, and nothing in the middle. Doesn't matter. Select, finish. You can close out of this. And here's your flash drive. It's got its letter. It's titled recovery. It is ready to go. Next video will very likely be me trying to repair the operating system on a Windows tablet. And we'll see what happens then. Until then, you have a very good day.